that once we get married and we have children, we always think that this is it. This is our life now, this is our routine. That's not true. You have to step out of the box. I remember it was Sonam's birthday and we had gone to the sets of Savaria. And Shania was a baby. And I told her, I said, Shania, you know what? You have to be really quiet and we have to, behave ourselves, cannot run around and whatever. And she walked into the sets and I could see it on her face. It was as if she's entered Disneyland. Like her face, her eyes just lit up, and the deal was sealed once I took her to Savaria Prep. She was and she must have been 7.5, 8. And she told me then, long time back, that Mama, I am going to be an actress.
She is probably the best debutante face we had in 2020, but surprisingly, she's a mother. We cannot agree more. You cannot disagree anything about it, but it's time to welcome the yummy mummy. And if we are supposed to say at all, Maheep Kapoor, the yummy mummy. Welcome, Maheep. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Thank you for those lovely words.
But Maheep, sincerely, this doesn't come because you are here. That was one sensational debut at an age when normally people don't think of venturing into entertainment biz. You took a bold step. And as we say, the trappings, which already comes attached with the fact that you are a star mom already, you are a star wife, and now you're in self becoming a star. What was it like? How has it been like for you?
Honestly, I keep saying this to all the women out there, that once we get married and we have children, we always think that this is it. This is our life now, this is our routine. That's not true. You have to step out of the box. The opportunity came to us, it fell on our lap. Karan just came out and said, listen, I'm going to do this show. And I was very, very apprehensive, to tell you honestly. I was more bothered about what people were going to say and what they're going to think about me. But I'm glad I took the plunge. Again, my kids were okay with it. Sanjay was okay with it. So that's what really mattered to me. Rest was just rubbish. And I just took the plunge and I'm so glad I did.
We are so glad you did, because I was coming to the question. It also gave me the opportunity to take me back to your modeling days. I ended up seeing a lot of clips which are now available online, a few pictures, and I was surprised that just about at the time of making your acting debut, you decided to tie the knot. How do you look back at that particular scene? Do you think, if I know it's funny to ask, but given a chance, you would have pursued a full-fledged career?
In movies? I don't know. I keep saying I'm a terrible actress. I was young then. So, with youth, you always think that, listen, I am just the ultimate and I can do it. Honestly, I'm a bad actress. So I'm glad that it fell through. And because I wouldn't be able to live it down. Trust me. So, I went through the phase, the journey, and whatever. It was fun. I experienced shooting half a film. And oh my God, I have tremendous respect for actresses. To wake up at 5 in the morning and pull your hair, pull your lashes, lenses. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's tough work, tough work. And honestly, I have tremendous respect for them. But I don't know if it's for me. Honestly. See, I was doing a reality TV.
But now,
This Bollywood was reality.
Yeah.
So I was just being myself. But if I had to play someone else, I don't know. I just don't know. I'm not convinced myself.
Maheep, now that you have sat in that chair, where unfortunately you also have to go through a bit of makeup and the costumes, and on the other hand, how was it like when one finally Shania knocked the door and said that, Mom, I want to be an actress? You were like, were you surprised? Were you as worried as you right now just said, that how difficult this profession is and people don't realize that it's not as easy as it looks?
No, it's not as easy as it looks. You know what? I always knew that Shania was going to be an actress. Um, she had tasted blood when I took her. See, you got to understand her cousins, the everyone she looks up to, her growing up with these people. She was obsessed with Sonam, and she looked up at Janvi and Arjun. This was her life. So when she had gone, I remember it was Sonam's birthday, and we had gone to the sets of Savaria, and Shania was a baby, and I told her, I said, Shania, you know what? You have to be really quiet, and we have to, behave ourselves, cannot run around and whatever. And she walked into the sets, and I could see it on her face. It was as if she's entered Disneyland. Like her face, her eyes just lit up, and the deal was sealed once I took her to Savaria Prep. She was just, and she must have been 7.5, 8. And she told me then, long time back, that Mama, I am going to be an actress. And she stuck to it. She's not changed. She's not wanted to be something else. She's just focused on this. And and she's worked hard for it also, man. It's not that it's just come and she's just said, it's God given to me and whatever, sorry. So I knew when she had a little consciousness in her brains, 7.5, 8, that this is what she wanted.
But Mahit, we have seen Shania's rigorous training videos, be it from dance to the belly dance videos, of course, have been like, they are a hit all over the social media. We have seen how the training has been coming out. What I tend to ask is, when her debut was announced, were you prepared at that time also? Because you have said it several times in the past, you can deal with anything, but not the trolls coming out as hard as for your kids. And unfortunately, the trolls even spared it that time as well. It was just a field day without realizing, as you just answered me right back. It was in family. She grew up with something which came as naturally to her. But was that even equally apprehensive and hurtful when on one hand you had her debut news coming out, and on the other hand, the negativity did flow. And of course, it gets toxic.
Yeah, you know what? I've just realized that, and so is she, my daughter, that it's part and parcel of the game. They don't spare legends in our industry, She has just entered, and I've said this before, it's just noise. I don't even, want to give it energy by even talking about it, because so be it. If you're excited and makes you happy to do all this crap and, troll out there and be that loser, go for it, but I'm not giving it energy, and it's fine. I mean, as any parent, when she did her debut and it was announced, the film, we were ecstatic, beyond ecstatic. Me and Sanjay, trust me, we went mad.
I was coming to Sanjay because I remember in your show Fab Wives, there's this portion where you are confessing that how Sanjay's over paranoid with Shania, like he's obsessed. What was Sanjay's reaction when he was like, okay, Shania is on like big screen?
You know what? We were at home, and Shania had gone to meet Karan, and he called me up and said, listen, I need you to be on speaker. And so me and Sanjay were on speakerphone. And he says that we've offered Shania the film. Sanjay was lying on bed. He jumped up and he has grabbed me. We have not hugged like this in a very, very long time. He has hugged me really tight, and he had tears in his eyes. And when Shania came home, we said, don't call us up. Come home, we want to see your reaction and everything. So me, Jahan, and Shania were waiting in the living room, and she walked in and she burst into tears. Sanjay had tears in his eyes. Jahan was like, what's going on? It was an emotional moment for us. And, we were just so happy. I think Sanjay also, that she's in such good hands, It's a very relaxed and feeling that that for her, she's got the perfect film, And yeah, I mean, she's in good hands. Yeah, touch wood.
Mahip, Sanjay has seen, I think, one of the most, I would say, difficult journeys in Bollywood. When you come from a film family where you have a surname attached, which bears so much weight, and it took him a long time, and I would say it took filmmakers a long time to realize Sanjay's potential. And it was in the last couple of years we saw him come through the roles and the parts and the mediums when he started switching. There was so much of good work we could see from him. He has seen the highs and the lows, and so have you with him. Is Shania, of course, and Shania has been closely witnessed it. How have you prepped up her? Because you also know that this is going to be a hell of a ride. As exciting as it looks, this is going to be a real test.
Absolutely. Even with my son and Shania, they've seen in close quarters that it's not a cakewalk as people seem to assume. We've been through very, very difficult times. I've addressed it in the show also briefly that, people don't understand that it's not like we've not seen it in close quarters, the hardship and whatever. But the beauty of Sanjay is, and which I think my kids have learned, that just never give up. Just keep going for it. Just go for it. Keep working at, if you believe in yourself, keep working at it. And it's proved fruitful for Sanjay because he's found this amazing space in the OT platform. And I mean, people are appreciating his work. And so again, I say, it's never too late. We're in a country which was so youth obsessed that we don't understand that, we're still here. We've still got that in us, that drive in us, that passion in us. And I think that's what is so amazing, because Sanjay's always been this never give up kind of person, no matter what. And today it's too good. He's shining on OT. So it's great.
You realize, Mahip, that right now the dinner conversation in your house must be so exciting. We have a reality TV star. We have someone who's being looked after to make one of the most promising debuts. And we have Sanjay on the table and Jahan, who I think aspires to be in the same line. How does the dinner conversation at home look like? Is the mother supposed to take the charge and say, no, guys, no films on table?
I swear. But there's always film talk. There's always Sanjay saying, Shania, watch this film, And now that we're in lockdown, that's really what we're discussing, the shows and the movies. And we're going back to old movies. And he's telling Shania, watch this, that actress is just unreal. So yeah, a lot of that happens all the time. But it's fun.
Yeah. When I was about to interview, I remember one of the first things which my colleagues and peers were discussing, that are we interviewing Mahip Kapoor the star or Mahip Kapoor the mom? And I'm like, I'll ask her the question. That's a very good thing. Mahip, how do you see yourself today? Because now your name is not something which comes with Shania's mother also. It's Mahip Kapoor. Everyone knows you. Everyone. I think that was one of the best things which came out of Fab Vibes. I was seeing your social media. There are fan requests, there are comments, it's flooded. How does newfound success feels like?
It's really, honestly, very overwhelming. First of all, we were not expecting it to do so well. To tell you really honestly, when you're seeing yourself, you're like, oh my God, are people going to be interested in seeing this? Are you sure? And whatever. But it just worked. Unfortunately, most of the time we've been in lockdown since this has come out. But I do feel it on Instagram, and I can see that, there's so much love out there, and there's so much, it's really overwhelming. I can't explain to you. It's weird when someone says, I'm your fan. I'm like, oh, okay, I don't know how to react to it, because at this age, I don't know. I'm still absorbing it. But honestly, I'll always be a mom first. So I at this title of being Shania Kapoor's mom, I hold it very proudly. So that also, let me tell you.
But have you ever thought of this? Like, you have made a debut in 2020. Shania, hopefully by next year we'll see her. This is, I think, one of the rarest combinations in Bollywood we'll ever see. You have a mom and daughter making a debut just as closely as it gets.
Yeah. It's so weird, but it's fun. Now, what do I say? It's exciting, you know. Me and Shania are we're such close friends also. So, you know, we talk to each other about everything. It's very important for me that my child speaks to me about everything. I want her to be a friend, you know, that she can come to. So, yeah, it's exciting for both of us. We're like, wow, this is happening. You know, it's like a roller coaster ride. There's the lockdown that's happening. There's this madness that's going on, unfortunately, in our country. It's like a roller coaster ride. You know, we've got the highs, we've got the lows where, you know, it's very, very overwhelming.
I remember in the show, there was this part where Sanjay did get a little upset when the boy was supposed to dance with Shania in in that gala night. I wonder, what if Shania has to go a little intimate on the screen of Kiss the Hero? Sanjay would be like, oh no, I have to be on set.
You know what? Trust me. Yes, inside he will be like, oh no, what am I watching and everything. But when it comes to her work, he'll keep quiet. But I know what he's feeling inside. Trust me. He'll be feeling exactly this. And he won't know what to say. He'll be like, you know, he'll keep quiet though. He'll feel it, but he'll keep quiet.
Have you imagined the scenario, you, Sanjay and Shania in the same drape? You're actors. I can say that now.
Wow. Well, never say never. You never know. I don't know. It'll be exciting. Let's see what the future holds. We don't know, but yeah, it'll be fun.
Mahib, this one is turning towards Shania. She just made her account public. There is a huge excitement. There is a huge amount of buzz around her. But one thing which in earlier questions I missed asking you clearly last now, her ballet dancing videos are breaking the internet. I mean, what moves? Does she realize the kind of love and adulation which is coming her way even before she has made her foray into the film? And this I'm asking as a mother of a star who's to be a star, I would say, that everyone is looking forward to and everyone is so excitedly talking about.
You know, when she made her debut on Instagram, it was thought of. We said that, okay, you know, at this time in the morning, we'll go and we'll debut. By evening, I say 8 o'clock or 8:39, she was already 1 lakh followers, and it was going crazy. I mean, me and Shania were like a little in shock also. We were not expecting, you know. But I'm just so grateful for all these people. You know, they're so sweet and they're so kind. She's got so many of those fan followers, fan males of Shania. You know, there's so many of them that Sanjay is confusing Shania to these people also. Like, you know, some fan had written, love you, dad, and Sanjay's message, love you back, Shania. I said, but which Shania are you messaging? So he was very confused. He's like, oh, this is not Shania. I said, no. So, yeah, we weren't expecting it, but it came and it was overwhelming again. As far as her dance and her belly dancing is concerned, I kid you not, again, after Sagarya, she herself came to me and said, I want to join a dance class. She had joined Shamak Davar, a group class, and she started from then. From 8 years old, she never missed a class. She was obsessed. So, yeah, and then she got into belly dancing. She got into Kathak. So she loves dancing. So I'm glad that, you know, finally little bit we could show, and, you know, there's so much love out there for her. So I'm just grateful. Just grateful.
Mahib, before we move towards the end part, how do you, on an everyday basis, see yourself now, because now you're juggling multiple roles. Already a mother anyhow does multiple things. There are multiple hats, but now you have one more feather added to the cap, and you're also on the sets. Unfortunately, right now we are in lockdown, but of course there are shoots. There are, your first magazine cover was out recently. How do you juggle these multiple roles? Like, because I asked, so there are certain people who do say that we do feel guilty, we are unable to give that kind of time to home. But what's your take on this as an individual, as Mahib? How does Mahib feel about this?
Honestly, I don't know. I've been asked this before, but I think women just know how to multitask. Honestly, women wear many hats, and whether it's being a homemaker or being a mother, it just come. I'm not thinking about it. I'm just juggling it, and I'm winging it. It's just happening. Honestly, I don't know how I'm doing it, but I'm doing it. It's just happening. There's no rule to this game. I don't know. I can't answer. Always priority, again, I keep saying, is my kids. Like even me doing the show, if Shania and Jahan had said, Mama, you cannot do it, I wouldn't have done it, because they are my priority. The day I gave birth to them, it's just like they're everything they want, everything they need. It's my priority as a mother. And so they were so excited. And Shania said to me very clearly that, Mom, when opportunity comes knocking on the door, you don't slam it, you take it. And you're doing this with your friends, and it's going to be amazing. And it's going to be stories that you can tell later on to your grandkids, how you started this, how you did this. And, even Jahan was, I've said this before in my interviews, he's a boy of few words, but he said, you don't say no to Netflix and Thermatics. So that was the end of that. And my kids, yeah. So I'll always say that my priority will be my kids. Whatever decisions I make, the first people I will ask is Shania and Jahan. And then if they're okay with it, I'm good to go.
Okay. You understand your season 2 has created a lot of buzz. To an extent, there was this hilarious meme which is like that: who will complete season 10 first in India? You had the Keeping Up with Kardashian on one side, and then they have the Fab Bites on the other. I'm like, this is so cool. There are so many stories, and people love your act. I think maybe because of the fact you are just as you are. You're monoculous on this Jew window of yours. Oh my God, that has been such a craze. Did you? What do you think of it, Mahib? I mean, like season 2, I think people are already pumped up that they might have a couple of more seasons and they'll have more stories from you to hear.
Honestly, like I said, we were just doing what we do, being ourselves. I thought that, oh my God, it's a bit boring. Who wants to see us like this? But it just worked. It worked. My binoculars worked. My word shwai, which I say all the time, like, it's worked. My swearing, quite frankly, has worked. My mother was like, could you please tone it down a notch in season 2? I was like, no, Mama, it's not going to happen. It's working. So why should I tone it down? But I just didn't know. It was very, very unexpected. Very shocking that it did so well. And I'm so grateful. I mean, again, I'm just grateful. I'm just happy that it's worked. And we are looking forward to getting back to work and starting season 2. Obviously, we want everything to settle down now, and then safety first. But yeah, we're raring to go for sure.
If given a chance, will Mahib Kapoor step out of the reality TV zone and enter into a full-fledged acting role? Will she?
I mean, sign me on at your own risk is all I want to say. Honestly. But I'm game. If I get a good role and it's whatever. But I've warned them. Sign me at your own risk. Then don't complain, huh?
Okay, Mahib. But before we sign off, tell me something, one piece of advice which you had from your mother and you want both Shania and Jahan to hold on to forever. Something which even you think is your mantra, as every mother has always this one particular advice which stays with kids. I have one from mine. What is yours to the kids?
Honestly, my advice is go with your gut and your heart, you know, and don't listen to anybody. Just get those blinkers on and just do it. I'm a person who was born in London. I was in Australia, Switzerland. I came back to India on my own and I started my career. I was at a PG. I was 19. And my parents gave me the wings to do it. And they said, go for it. This is what you want. And I can imagine any parent letting their child sit in Bombay on their own with no plans. I, again, was just winging it, you know. I mean, I always appreciate that my parents let me do that. And likewise, I want my kids to, you know, if this is what they want, the path they want to take it with full conviction. And don't listen to anyone else. Let people bark around you. Oh, this is not going to happen. That's not going to happen. Just with full conviction. And I say this for every child out there. Just go for it. If you believe in it strong enough, it'll happen. It'll happen. The universe conspires to make things happen.
Before I say you bye, I have to tell you this. When I was going through Shanaya's account and a couple of other Twitter messages, there was this one message which caught my eye. And oh my God, it was lovely. Somebody wrote that they want to see the best trio on the screen. They had Shanaya, Ananya, and Suhana on the image. And I'm like, nobody even thought of it that we have three girls, three promising young women out there, probably the bestest of friends, and we're having them on screen together. How do you see this? Because I have to ask you, you are the mom here, you can tell us. Because, oh my God, that particular picture I should be sending you had so many likes and comments.
Ananya, Suhana, Shanaya, they have been friends since, I mean, literally, we gave birth to them and, you know, they were just glued to each other. They're such close friends. And I mean, it would be amazing. It would be amazing to see three of them on screen. You never know. But I love them. I love them. I love the way they are with each other. They have each other's back. And you know what I think the beauty of it is because they've grown up in the industry. They understand a lot of things. You know, it's very easy to. I think that's their bonding also now. This is their bonding now. You know, Shania is definitely talking to Ananya, getting pointers. You know, Suhana, who's amazing with makeup. You know, so they're always like exchanging ideas and thoughts, and they've got a great relationship. Amazing, touch wood, and I hope it always remains because it's literally since they've been born.
And as you have said, in film industry, friendships are one of the rarest of its kinds, and so when you are together since the birth, nothing better than that.
These girls are going to prove them wrong because these girls are so they're too tight. They're too tight with each other, and they're each other's cheerleaders, constantly cheering for each other, constantly boosting each other up. It's an amazing relationship. Amazing.
Okay. Maheep, as a mother, just one thing from you. If given a chance, hypothetically, you get to pair Shania with one actor you would love to see her with, who would that be? And that has to be only from you. I'm not asking what Shania wants, what Maheep wants.
Maheep is obsessed with Ranveer Singh.
Oh God, I can't forget that.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not joking. It's not just me. It's my mother. My mom is obsessed with him. I'm obsessed with him. Shania is obsessed with him. So 3 generations that we just go like crazy when we see him. So yeah, Ranveer Singh for sure. And I'll say this on behalf of my mom and Shania because they'll both say it also.
This is so cute. I think we'll channel it to the universe that by the time Shania comes out with the first film, you never know. Never say never. I have learned this from you. Never say never.
Yeah.
But thank you, Maheep. Thank you for being so honest, so candid. This would have not been a breeze had you not been this fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was so much fun. And happy Mother's Day.
Yep. And to the mother who's trailblazing, to the mother who's actually changing the rules one day at a time, we cannot wait to see you. And as I've said, I'm crossing fingers, maybe you, Shona, and Sanjay together anytime. So you never know.
Never know. Never say never.
Never say never. Thank you so much, Mahi,
Thank
for
you
your time.
so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.